What's up? It's your boy Jay Swaggy. I just letting you know, man. Goddamn, the sickest white boy rapper alive. Ain't nobody heard about me yet. You know what I'm saying? I've been writing songs on top of songs. Goddamn freestyle songs on top of songs, man. I'm in my zone. You ain't never heard a white boy like this ever. I'm a #1 contender, bitch. Southern Offender, NC for life. Motherfucker, you can't stop me. This shit's real. Not no bullshit, motherfucker. Step out here in my goddamn coupe, man. Bitches sitting on them dubs. Black on blue, your boy bossing in this motherfucker. You don't even understand, bitch. This shit right here ain't even goddamn real, man. Not for a white dude, but guess what? My stepdad's black. My mom's just white as fuck. But it's all good, because it's just how we living, man. And I grew up with the goons. I'm a goon. I'm a fresh motherfucker. You can't fuck with me, though, man, because I got everything on lock. I got the prep game on lock. I got the motherfucking game on lock. I got the motherfucking people on lock. I got it all on lock, bitch. But guess what? You my family now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sick-ass rap songs for y'all to goddamn rock with in your car. Beef with in your car. You goddamn beastie in your car. I'm going to be in your speakers, y'all. This shit's going to be real. And guess what? I ain't going to motherfucking forget my family and my friends. I'm coming home to get you, baby. I ain't going to leave you out there in the motherfucking struggle. You know that shit ain't talk, man. That shit's real. I'm ready. But anyways, listen to my music. Tell me what you think, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope you like it. You know what I mean?